Now we will do one more problem on marginal costing technique. So you can see in this problem 2 years sales are given in units and period 1 period 2 is given, and in first period there is a loss of rupees 10,000 and in second period there is a profit of rupees 10,000. Selling price per unit was rupees 100 is given. We have to calculate fixed cost, BP, sales, then desired sales and desired profit we have to calculate. Okay, now we can see in this question sales in units is given. So before calculating anything, we will convert this sales in units into sales in rupees. Okay, so we will solve the problem now. Period 1 period 1 and 2 sales in units it was given, so we will calculate in rupees, and profit or loss. So sales in units is 7,000 and price per unit is rupees 100. So 100 into 7,000. So sale in first period is 7 lakh. Sales in first period is 7 lakh. And then second period is 9,000 into 100 means sales is 9 lakhs. So profit in first period is 10,000. This is not profit, this is loss. And then profit in second period is 10,000. Profit. Okay. So first of all, we have to calculate fixed cost. Okay. But to calculate fixed cost, we need to calculate PV ratio. So first of all, we will calculate the PV ratio. Calculation of PV ratio. We will calculate the PV ratio. So to calculate PV ratio, the formula is, you know the formula, change in profits upon change in sales into 100. Okay, so change in profits means what? Second period's profit minus first period profit. But here the profit is not given, here the loss is given. So how we will write C here? So 10,000, this is the profit, minus, okay, for change we always deduct second period's profit from first period's profit. But here in this question loss is given, so 10,000 profit minus 10,000 loss, it will be like this. It's a loss, 10,000 loss. And change in sales is 9 lakh minus 7 lakh. 9 lakhs minus 7 lakhs. Okay, so how you have to write it here? Minus minus plus, plus. So 9 lakh minus 7 lakhs, it is 2 lakhs. So 10,000 plus 10,000, 20,000. 20,000 divided by 2 lakh into 100. Here in formula it is 100, so into 100. So when you will solve it, you will get the formula 10%. 10%. See, the 0 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20. 10% you will get. The PV ratio is 10%. So if you know the PV ratio, then you can calculate the fixed cost. Okay, just we had calculated in previous question. Okay, so now we will calculate the fixed cost. Calculation of fixed cost. Okay, so I have told you, whenever you have to calculate fixed cost, write down the marginal costing equation, that is sales minus variable cost is equals to fixed cost plus profit. So you have to write this equation whenever you have to calculate fixed cost. So in this question, you can take either first period sales and loss or second period sales or profit. You can take anything, you will get the fixed cost. Any one period sales or profit you have to take. So now I'm taking sales and profit of, loss of first period, sales and loss of first period. So right here, period first, sales is how much? Sales 7 lakhs. 7 lakhs, okay, minus variable cost is how much? If 10% is PV ratio, so remaining 90%, 90% will be your variable cost. So 90% of sales, it is 10%, so 90% will be variable cost. Now you can see in this question, profit is not given, loss is given. So in the formula, whenever there is loss, you have to deduct that loss from fixed cost to get the contribution. So fixed cost minus लॉस 10,000. यहाँ पे लॉस से इसलिए माइनस किया, अगर प्रॉफिट होता तो प्लस ही करना होता. So first of all, we will solve this. 0 will get cancelled. 7 lakh minus, okay, 9 3s are 63. 1 2 3 6,30,000 is equals to fixed cost minus 10,000. So here it will be 7 lakh minus 6,30,000 means 70,000. 70,000, and this minus will come this side. So it will become plus 10,000. Okay. So your fixed cost will be how much? When you will solve the equation, you will get the fixed cost 80,000. 80,000. So similarly, if you take second period sales or profit, then also you will get the same answer, 80,000. Okay. Now we have calculated fixed cost. Now next we have to calculate BP in sales. Next thing we have to calculate BP in sales. Okay. So to calculate, I have told you, if you know the PV ratio, okay, then The formula to calculate BP sales is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So fixed cost, just we have calculated rupees 80,000. PV ratio is 10%. That is also we have calculated in first step. So now we will solve this. 80,000 into 100 divided by 10. So 0 will get cancelled. 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs is the BP in sales. Okay, it means your sale should be always more than 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs. Okay, next, third, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the number of units to be sold to earn a profit of rupees 40,000. The sold to earn a of rupees 40,000, to earn a profit of rupees. So how much sale is required here, that we have to calculate. So as I told you, to calculate desired profit, desired sales, always you have to apply the formula of PV ratio. PV ratio is equals to contribution divided by sales. Okay, don't write into 100 here, otherwise your answer will be wrong. So PV ratio, as I told you, you have to take fixed cost plus profit divided by sales. Okay, so what we have to calculate? We have to calculate number of units sold, number of units to be sold. So this sale will go here because we have to calculate sales only. Then fixed cost plus profit divided by PV ratio. PV ratio. Now sales we have to calculate. Fixed cost, just we had calculated 80,000. Write that 80,000 here. And then profit is 40,000 rupees. 40,000, it's given in the question. 40,000. PV ratio, just we have calculated, that is 10%. We had calculated PV ratio here, it is 10%. So 80,000 plus 40,000, 1,20,000. So how we will write here? 100 divided by 10. Okay, 0 will get cancelled. So your answer will be 12 lakhs. 12 lakhs. So if your sales will be 12 lakhs, then you will earn the profit of rupees 40,000. Okay. Now, but in question, what it is asked, it is asked to calculate number of units to be sold. Here we have calculated in rupees, so we will calculate number of units sold. Simply whatever 12 lakh you got, just divide that by selling price per unit. We want sales in units. So sales in unit means total sales, means this 12 lakh divided by selling price per unit. So total sales is 12 lakhs 12 lakhs. Selling price per unit is rupees 100. 100, this is 100 rupees. 100 is given in the question. You see here. Selling price per unit rupees 100 is given. So divide by 100. Okay, you will get the number of units. That is 12,000 units. 12,000. So if you will sell 12,000 units, then you can earn the profit of rupees 40,000. 12,000 यूनिट्स बिकेंगे तब जाके 40,000 का प्रॉफिट होगा. Now we will calculate the amount of profit when sales are rupees 20,000 units. Okay, so first of all I write down here the amount of profits when sales are 20,000 units. 20,000 units. So here again sales are given in units. So first of all we will convert this 20,000 units into rupees. Okay, so to convert this sales in rupees, you need to multiply sales in units with selling price per unit. Selling price per unit. So sales in unit is how much? 20,000 units. It is given in the question, 20,000 units. Selling price per unit is, this is also given in the question. You can see here selling price per unit rupees 100. Rupees 100. So here write rupees 100. So you will get 20 lakhs. Sales in rupees 20 lakhs. Okay, now we will calculate the amount of profit when sales are 20,000 units. So to calculate desired sales or desired profit, as I told you, the formula is of PV ratio. That is PV ratio is equals to contribution divided by sales. Don't write into 100 here because the PV ratio is already in percentage. So at contribution you have to write fixed cost plus profit divided by sales. So PV ratio is how much? PV ratio we have calculated, it is 10%. Fixed cost also we have calculated. Fixed cost is 80,000 we have calculated. 80,000 in first step we calculated this. Okay, we have to calculate profit only. The amount of profit when sales are 20,000 we have to take in rupees. Always remember this, that whenever you are calculating desired profit, desired sales, you have to take the amounts in rupees only. So here we will take the 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs. Okay, so now we can solve it. It's in divide, so here it will go and it will become, it will get multiplied with the 10%. Okay, so 10 by 100. Zero zero will get cancelled. Then here 2 lakhs minus this 80,000 profit. So 2 lakhs minus 80,000. 2 lakhs minus 80,000. ओके, ये 80,000 इस साइड आ गया ना. 2 लाख माइनस 80,000 होगा रुपीज़ 1,20,000. So this is your profit. This is your profit. Okay. Okay, so this is how we have calculated whatever has been told in the question.